Hello students, today I am going to talk about the microminerals molybdenum and nickel. Distribution of molybdenum. Liver has highest molybdenum content in the body. Sources of molybdenum are green leafy vegetables, nuts, gingerly seeds, cereals, etc. Requirement for adults is 0.15 to 0.5 mg per day. For children, 0.02 to 0.25 mg per day. Molybdenum is absorbed from the intestine. It is mainly excreted in urine and small extent in feces via bile. Higher protein and cysteine intake will cause higher excretion of molybdenum. Functions of molybdenum. Molybdenum occurs in some oxidoreductases and participates in electron transfers. In liver, xanthine oxidase contains non-heme iron, FAD, pterine, molybdenum, and sulfur. It has the molybdenum linked to its pterine by two sulfur atoms. Aldehyde dehydrogenase contains non-heme iron, FAD, and molybdenum. Sulfide oxidase, a molybdenohemoprotein, oxidizes inorganic sulfides to sulfates. Molybdenum also occurs in some hemoflavoproteins, for example, NADH nitrate reductase. Molybdenum deficiency. Deficiency occurs in humans kept on parenteral nutrition. It causes decreased xanthine oxidase activity, increased excretion of xanthine, and decreased uric acid excretion. Deficiency of molybdenum is associated with increased incidence of esophageal cancer. Molybdenum toxicity. Excess intake of molybdenum leads to molybdenosis. It is characterized by growth retardation, microcytic anemia, gout, and diarrhea. Copper and cysteine are effective in removing molybdenum from the body and in reducing toxicity. Higher levels of molybdenum in food will impair absorption of copper. Nickel. Distribution of nickel. Blood contains 1.1 to 3.6 microgram per liter. Nickel content in hair in female is 4 parts per million and in male is 1 parts per million. Sources of nickel are nuts, peas, beans, chocolate, soy, lentils, oats, barley, corn, banana, pears, etc. Requirement of nickel is 100 microgram per day. Functions of nickel. Nickel activated enzymes are arginase, carboxylase, trypsin, acetyl coenzyme synthase, urease, methyl coenzyme reductase. It inhibits the enzyme acid phosphatase. Nickel is required in trace amount for growth and reproduction. Nickel has a role in production of pigments in fish, birds, and insects. Physical aspect of nickel. Deficiency of nickel may lead to decreased utilization of iron. Nickel in higher concentrations may be carcinogenic. Some chocolate preparation may contain nickel levels more than permitted. Prolonged exposure of nickel results in respiratory tract neoplasia and dermatitis as observed in workers in nickel refineries, which is an occupational hazard. This is all about molybdenum and nickel. Thank you.